Hello, what's up, traders? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are looking at three pairs in the Forex weekly forecast. Okay, so the three pairs is US card. We have a Euro USD and the 30. Okay, so we are going to look at US card, Euro USD, and the 30. So these are the three pairs we are looking at in this week. Okay, so kindly follow up as I try to analyze the chart so that you can pick one or two. And if it goes well with you the way you think, and then you can take the trade. But if you are not confident and you are not convinced, then just watch the markets. Okay. We are traders. We only anticipate what the market likely to give out for the week. We do not control the market. Okay. All right. Let's kindly jump right into it now. In the US cards, what I'm seeing now is that the market is downtrending. Okay. And this is a strong zone that the market is retesting already. Okay. And coming down again, it has already broke a structure that I'm seeing very right away. You see this trend? It has broke the trend. After working the high, it cannot continue with the higher high. So now that is changing trend, what's happened? This very particular trend line, it has broken. So what are we looking out for? We are looking out for this market to come back up here to retest this week and then drop. Okay. So this is a daily time frame. This is what I myself is foreseeing in this very particular pair, US card on daily time frame. So what do you think? Kindly comment in the comment section. Let me see if we have the same view or you have a different view. Okay. All right. Let's look at the next pair, Euro USD. So this is Euro USD. As you can see, I've already mapped out this very particular high. Okay. Then where else should I focus on? This is what I'm seeing. I love my trend line. Okay. So I want to see the market working between this rectangle and the trend line. Okay. So from what I'm seeing right now, I'm seeing the market doing something like this. This is already a zone here for me. This is a zone for me here. So I want to also see the market come down either to even this trend line, then pump up to work this side. Okay. What do you see? Are you having the same view with me? What's your take on this very particular Euro USD? What's your take, guys? Let me know. Let me know. Feel free. Let me know if you are together or maybe you are seeing something different. Okay. So I want it to come down, having retest here, come down and drop here. Then I want to buy here. Okay. I want to buy here. I want to buy here. 1.08350. That is where I want to buy. 1.08350. Maybe you can see it here. Okay. 1.0350. 1.08350. That is where I'm looking out for. Buy. And this should be my take profit this week. Okay, so that is for Euro USD. Then let's look at D30. From the D30, this is a rising wedge. Okay, this is a rising wedge here. I'm seeing it coming down. I'm seeing it dropping probably to this very particular zone. I don't know what you think about that. I can still confirm something. Let me see if it will work out. Of course, it works out. My divergence is here. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Remember, we do not control the markets. Okay, we only try to anticipate. Then, following what the market will be, the outcome, what will be the outcome, or what the market have in store for us. So this 3 pair is what I have to analyze for the week. It's advisable that it's advisable not to overtrade and not to also confuse yourself with a lot of peers. So these 3 pairs is what I'm looking out for, week in and week out. Okay, no more any other pair. These 3 pairs is what I'm looking out for trading. So the 30, I'm looking out for sell. Then US card, I'm looking out for sell. Then Euro USD, I'm looking out for buy. It's as simple as that. So guys, let me know what's your take over this. Okay. I think that is where I have to stop. I don't really have much here to offer. I only just want to wish you a profitable trading week, guys. All the best, all traders all over the world. Thank you for staying tuned. Please subscribe, like, share, so that when new video comes up, you'll be notified. All right, guys. Thanks. Bye.